Jesse Luka, Slovenia, first place. Kickline Junior game minus 74 kilograms. Repeating the names. Jesse Luka, Slovenia, first place. Slovenia, second place. Mark Sebastian, Austria, third place, and Vincenski Nikodem, Poland, third place.
Sebastianovic Adam, Poland, area 4.
Area 2, starting coach Bulgaria, area 2. Starting coach Bulgaria, area 2.
We are waiting for Jesse Luka, just around, and Orehovic Samo from Slovenia.
Area 8, number 5 now, Jaroszek Dominik from Slovenia, Czekano Ivan Starcin.
Orehovic Samo, we are looking forward to meeting you here on stage.
Sebastianovic Adam from Poland, area 4. Poland, area 4.
Thomas, area 13.
Area number 7, fighting now, Metzler Georgi from Austria. Fighting now, area number 7, Metzler Georgi from Austria.
K1, young junior male, minus 81 kilogram category. Kovac Raimond, Hungary, third place. Berlan Ivano, Croatia, second place. And Zolej Matej, Slovakia, first place.
Area 2, Ivan Georgiev, area 2. Ivan Georgiev, area 2.
Sebastianovic Adam.
Tatami 9 szoros, Tatami 9.
Area number 7,
Area 14, senior, female, no contact, minus 54 kg.
K1, young junior male, minus 81 kilograms. Zolej Matej, Slovakia. Berlan Ivano, Croatia. Kovac Raimond, Rafael, Hungary, third place.
Nicola Traina, tatami 15. Dva Traina, tatami 10, per favore.
Area 14 page, Slovakia, Humphrey, Hungary, Jeremy Ireland. Area 14, no contact, senior, female, minus 54.
area number 7, second call, Metzler Georgi from Austria. Fighting now, second call, Metzler Georgi, area number 7.
Last call for K1 young junior male minus 81 kilogram category award. Zolej Matej, Slovakia, first place. Berlan Ivano, Croatia, second place. Kovac Raimond Rafael, Hungary, third place.
Area number 7, third and final call, Metzler Georgi from Austria. Fighting now, third and final call, Metzler Georgi from Austria. You have 2 minutes.
Tatami 3, Pronin Maxim from Ukraine and Tadasis Field from Poland. Gallagher Jana, Polonic Kickboxing Club, Ireland and Palti Boruka, Sasok Sport Clinic, Hungary. Tatami number 14 now, please.
Zolej Matej, Slovakia, first place. Berlan Ivano, Croatia, second place. Kovac Raimond Rafael, Hungary, third place.
Tatami 1, next match, Martin J from UK and Simia David from Serbia. Tatami 1. Tatami 3, Pronin Maxim from Ukraine and Tresor Fion from Poland.
Tatami 9-es orvos, Tatami 9-es orvos.
Tatami 10,